kailangan ko naman sabon. Ang dulas. Ang dulas, grabe guys. Ang dulas. Guys, ang dulas. Natanggal na yung lipstick ko. Ang dulas. Sobrang dulas, guys. Sobrang dulas. I don't know how to get rid of this. Grabe, lies. Ang dulas. Ayaw na bumula ng shampoo. Ayaw bumula ng shampoo, guys. Sobrang dulas. Pumasok pa sa mata ko. Yung mata ko lumabo. Ito, shampoo. Ayaw nang bumula. Kaya sobrang dulas. Matalsik na yun kasi pabil-pabil ko. Ang init! Grabe! Mainit na yung pinambala ko kasi ang dulas. Parang wala yung dulas. Naubos ko siya ha. Naubos ko lahat ha. So guys, I'm done taking this olive oil. My gosh, guys, it's so slippery. And look at my lipstick, it's gone. It's completely gone. Guys, it's super slippery, guys. And then I smell the virgin olive oil. I smell every time I pour the oil onto my hair, to my face, all over. I smell the olive oil. Yeah, and then it's super slippery. It's so slippery, super slippery in the tub. Super slippery, guys. And then, guys, I need to put a lot of shampoo all over my body to help to get rid of the slipperies. Yun, basta yung dulas, sleepiness. Ewan ko anong English dyan sa dulas. Oh, okay, ayun. Oh my goodness, guys. It's super slippery, guys. The olive oil. Okay, Liza Lamok, I'm done with your request. I am finally done, Liza. So, let us go to the another. Guys, next video, I am gonna do another challenge that they requested. Another requested video. Another requested na ililigo ko. May nag-request din sa akin na magligo ako ng suka at saka toyo. Pero guys, isi-separate ko yung suka at saka toyo. Yung suka at toyo, hindi ko siya gagamitin at once. Ibubukod ko ng video ang suka at saka toyo. At saka meron pang ibang mga requested din. Kung gusto nyo ding mag-request ha, gusto ko yung mag-request kayo. Kung gusto mong mag-request, mag-comment ka lang at gagawin ko yan. May nag-request din na mag-bubble bath. Ayun. Tapos meron ding iba pa. Meron ding marami pang nag-request sa akin. Hindi ko na ma-mention kasi nandoon sa notebook ko. So, I need to read it again para ma-remember ko. Pero, ayun guys ha. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta sa aking video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aking itong olive oil. As in virgin olive oil yung aking pinanligo today. So guys, maraming salamat. Please don't forget to subscribe at saka mayroon akong ibang mga Ligo challenge na ginawa in the previous videos. You can watch it. You can check it onto my playlist. Alright? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year 2021! Yay! Happy New Year, guys! Bye-bye! Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye!